Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Anu, working as a psychiatrist at Tulsi Healthcare, Gurgaon. So in this video, we'll be talking about mania and certain tips to manage it. Mania एक मूड डिसऑर्डर है जो कि एक फेज होता है इन बाइपोलर अफेक्टिव डिसऑर्डर। मेनली इसमें सिम्टम्स होते हैं कि पेशेंट का एलिवेटेड या इलेटेड मूड रहता है और इरिटेबल मूड रह सकता है। अलॉन्ग विद दैट देयर इज अ इंक्रीज्ड गोल डायरेक्टेड एक्टिविटीज़। और भी बहुत सारे सिम्टम्स हो सकते हैं विच इंक्लूड रेसिंग थॉट और इंक्रीज प्लानिंग। उनका बहुत ज़्यादा शॉपिंग करने का मन करता है या बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट्स करने का मन करता है। दे हैव इंक्रीज प्लानिंग इन विच दे माइट स्टार्ट अ न्यू बिजनेस या कहीं ट्रैवल करने का मन कर सकता है एंड दे विल जस्ट इम्पल्सिवली गो एट दैट प्लेस। अलॉन्ग विद दीज थिंग्स उनकी सेक्शुअल एक्टिविटीज़ या सेक्शुअल डिज़ायर्स इंक्रीज हो जाते हैं, सो देयर इज़ हाइपर सेक्शुअलिटी इन देम. They might indulge in certain unprotected sexual activities. कभी कभी बहुत ज़्यादा सब्सटेंस इनटेक इंक्रीज हो जाता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सिगरेट, कैफीन, अदर सब्सटेंसेज लाइक अल्कोहल और हेरोइन और दीज थिंग्स विच माइट इवेंचुअली वर्सन द होल कंडीशन. They may have a tendency to talk very fast और बहुत ज़्यादा बात करने का मन करता है. They may become over familiar with people they have never met. They will start telling about their lives and their plannings to them. बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर शेयर करने लगते हैं. So these are certain symptoms which are usually seen in patients with mania. When we talk about treatment of mania, pharmacological treatments होते हैं जिनमें main line of treatment is the mood stabilizers, which involve lithium, sodium valproate, lamotrigine, topiramate और carbamazepine. Along with the mood stabilizers हमें antipsychotics की भी ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है, जिसके अंदर commonly prescribed antipsychotics olanzapine, risperidone, aripiprazole etc. होती हैं depending on the symptoms of the patient. Along with these pharmacological treatment, कुछ नॉन फार्माकोलॉजिकल ट्रीटमेंट प्लान्स होते हैं जिनके अंदर इंटरपर्सनल सोशल रिदम थेरेपी होती है या फिर फैमिली फोकस थेरेपीज होती हैं, साइको एजुकेशन होती है. So all these things consist of the treatment of mania per se. When we talk about managing mania on your own, a lot of patients might be on treatment and they might understand कि उनको mania है या फिर bipolar disorder है. And most important thing in managing the manic symptoms on their own would be charting your mood. So understanding your mood is very important. You may maintain a chart or you may maintain a mood diary which will help you to understand कि क्या symptoms आपके आ रहे हैं, किस तरीके से आपके mood swings हो रहे हैं, कैसे वो change हो रहा है, so that you understand कि कहाँ पे आपको जाके professional help की ज़रूरत है या फिर आप किस लेवल तक अपने आप मैनेज कर सकते हैं उन चीज़ों को. Another important thing is to maintain your daily routine, which will include your sleep cycle, your eating habits, your exercises like light yoga or things like that. So maintaining a routine is very important in patients with mania. Taking help of peer or taking help of your family members, because in mania interpersonal triggers or interpersonal issues are very significant, which actually can precipitate your symptoms. So maintaining your interpersonal relationships with family, with peer group is very important. Then managing your finances is very much important, because as I said कि mania के अंदर a lot of times overspending या फिर बहुत business plans involve हो जाते हैं. So during the time of symptoms, when you are having symptoms of mania, you should manage your finances. So maybe you can push back the plans that you are making during the time of manic symptoms, so that you know कि actually आप वो business plans करना चाहते हो या फिर it is just happening because of mania. Then substance intake is very much important. We know that mania के अंदर substance intake increase होता है. Along with that, a lot of times substance intake can precipitate the symptoms of mania. So substances like stimulating substances, especially caffeine, cocaine या फिर even alcohol can actually precipitate the symptoms of mania. So you have to avoid those things. Certain relaxation exercises can help you manage the symptoms of mania. For example, if you like art, light yoga, deep breathing exercises, JPMR, these things help you manage your mood a little. Along with that, आपका एक routine को manage करने में ये help करता है. So these are the main things which will help you. There are the tips which can help you settle down your mood a little, and this will help in the initial phase when you are starting experiencing the symptoms of mania. If in case things become worse, you might need a professional help, where you might have to go and recheck your medications. Maybe adjustment would be required for the medications and therapies. I hope this video helps you understand about mania and certain tips to manage it. And in case if you have any query, please contact us at Tulsi Healthcare, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.